Hi, this is Coding Academy. In this tutorial lesson, we're gonna make this button smaller and we're gonna make this logo manageable from the WordPress dashboard. Without wasting time, let's begin. Now to make this button smaller, we're gonna add some custom CSS and we're gonna inspect element. So it is a good practice to code in the browser. Okay, so as you see, we're gonna add some CSS, height, 51 pixels. Okay, smaller, and I'm gonna add some padding top. Let's try 6 pixels. Okay, so that's fine. And now we're gonna head back to our code editor to add, this style. Okay, now in our code editor, okay, so let's head back to style.css. As you can see, this is empty. And what we're gonna do, we need to enqueue the style.css. Okay, this style, this is the main style. And for doing this, we're gonna head back to functions.php and let's copy this. Okay, and paste. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna call it, main underscore CSS. Okay, comma, we're gonna call get style sheet UI. Okay, this is the function to call to get the main style in the theme. Okay, in our custom theme. Okay, now what we're gonna do, okay, head back to our style.css. So we're gonna copy, we're gonna copy this piece of code that I've showed you, okay, in the browser. Okay, wait a while. Here, copy this piece of code. Okay, it's okay. And after that, let's head back again to our code editor and paste. Okay, we want this. Okay, and save. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna test if everything was properly inserted in our theme, and let's fill up the page. Okay, so as you can see, so the style was properly inserted. Now that we fixed the button, now let's make this logo manageable from the WordPress dashboard. Now to make this logo manageable from the WordPress dashboard, you're gonna enter in the WordPress dashboard and insert this logo or change it from the WordPress dashboard. How to do this? So we're gonna head to the documentation. This is the handbook, and we're gonna see how to do this. And this is how to do this. And you're gonna add team support. Um, to our WordPress functions, and look, you're gonna add team support custom logo. So this is the name. So I could have named it anything else. Okay, and in a more professional way, so you can add the logo in a function. Okay, in a function, add action. You're gonna add action to insert the logo after setup theme. Okay, and this will be the name of the function in here. So you can add 5 parameters to our logo. You can add it like this. So if you want, you can specify the height, the width, okay, and so on. And this is the site title and the site description. So now to call the logo, here we are going to, this is in the header part. Okay, so we're gonna add it like this. But if you want, so you could have doing this like this. So this is more professional. Okay, so you see the tag. If the custom logo is not found, okay, so it's gonna show the name, okay, with h1 tag. So this is for SEO purpose, SEO, search engine optimization. Now that we see how it works, so let's do it. I mean, to do this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna, copy this piece of code, okay, and head back to our theme function, and here, okay, so we're gonna add a semicolon space and insert this, okay, space. I'm gonna name it, let's see, okay, um, marshmallow, marshmallow, and copy. So this is the name of our functions. Um, let's do it with um, lowercase. Okay, marshmallow. So this is it. And here with, let's specify um, 200. Okay, so now, this is it. Now we're gonna call, the logo in the header. So as you can see, let me show you the logo. So this is here, this piece of code. So we have to modify um, to show the logo. But this will be in the part of the image, okay? The image part here. So what we can do now, let's head back to the documentation, okay? And to show the logo, um, you can do this like this and like this. So just to not overcomplicate things, I'm gonna go with this, but in a more professional way. This is the way of doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this, and let's let's head back again to our code editor, and in the here in the image part, as you can see, get rid of this, okay, and okay, so we're gonna open PHP tags and we paste the piece of code. So okay, let's break line just to have mean just to show it nicely. Okay, so guys, this is it. And now we're gonna head back to, I mean head back to our team. So before testing our custom logo from the WordPress dashboard, let's refresh the page to see if no errors. So as you can see, no errors. So we're gonna head to the WordPress dashboard to insert the logo. Now in the WordPress dashboard, okay, user WP HTML, okay, password, okay, let's add to appearance, theme, customize, okay, site identity, select logo, and we're gonna drag and drop our logo. Let's see, okay, drop here the logo, select, skip copying, and there it is, guys. Okay, publish, and now I'm gonna show you. Okay, so now our custom logo from the dashboard. So this is it, guys, no secret. This is how to do things and follow the documentation. I'm gonna leave these links in the video description, and in the next video we're gonna finally install the ACF plugin Pro to make all of these manageable from the WordPress dashboard. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to share with your friends Drop your comment below and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.